Welcome to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. It's May, 17th of May, and I'm about to head down to the allotment. And I thought it's about time I get on with the tasks for May in the Veg in One Bed book. So this is it, May at a glance. This is how it should be looking. I've got my potatoes in, my broad beans in, but they're not flowering just yet. Lettuce is going crazy. And I'm going to go down and plant these runner beans and sow some Swiss chard. My runner beans have already been in the cold frame for a few weeks, even when we had that cold weather not so long ago. And the lid blew off in the wind, and we had a frost that night. And they are all survived. They're all okay. There's Huw. Oh, you can earth up the potatoes using grass. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 canes he's used in this picture anyway. I'm going to go do that now. There's the Veg in One Bed from May. So there's potatoes. I need to earth them up still. Broad beans with the missing broad bean. And the lettuce. Hi, Casper. So here's all the runner beans. Ready to plant that. That's the runner beans in. I'm going to do one raw Swiss chard. Okay, it's a few days later now, and I thought I'd better get on with sowing the dwarf French beans, and I have already potted up some kale seedlings that I forgot to video that I'll show you right now. There are 1, 2, 3 curly kale and 2 purple kale. I've eventually found them. It took some time because I put all my seeds I wanted to use in a little box away from my normal place where I put the seeds. And I thought this was all brassicas, but it wasn't. These were hiding there. So I've got some of these and some of these, because there wasn't enough in there because this was already open. And it's my Purple Queen Dwarf French beans. And I had to see how many he wanted me to sow by looking in June. And you can just see there, 12. So I'm going to do 2 per pot just in case they don't work, and some extras just to put somewhere else around the allotments. I'll go do that now. And that is it for this month. I am caught up. I'm a little behind. I should have done this the first week of May, but I'm sure everything will catch up. Here is my lemongrass I got from some lemongrass from the supermarket, and some more banana plants. Thank you for watching, if you have time, because I know how busy it is in May. Thank you.